What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame, and what is the first thing that we see? We have got the monthly bullish impulse leg here, so we know we're bullish on the monthly time frame. The second thing we want to do is we want to mark out the previous monthly candlestick high and low. This is our monthly trading range and our zones of liquidity. You can see the current candle wicked up, took liquidity, and now she's pushed back all the way down here. But by looking at the monthly time frame, there's no real indication of where price could be going next. So we need to jump down the time frames. Okay, weekly time frame. Again, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. Impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, and then we failed the continuation here. You see, we wicked the liquidity up top of here, and this candlestick on that week closed bearish. She took the liquidity of this candle here, that weekly candle, off the high and the low, and closed bearish, and that set us up for this trading week here. Now, because price closed so close here to this previous week's liquidity, this week, I was expecting a nice wick of this liquidity here, and then price to close up and then to buy up. However, that idea failed. You see, she didn't really move, and she's closed back in the same place. So I'm going to be looking for the same thing again, because look where price is. Price is so close to, again, the current weekly low, but tomorrow it's going to be the previous weekly low. So I want to see price wick down, take liquidity from here, close up, give us confirmation on the time frame. Boom. You see, we've got the previous weekly high here as well. That's going to be our weekly trading range we're going to trade into, and it's quite small compared to what the other weeks have been like. You know, we've got 400, is it 400? Yeah, like 400 there, and like this has been like 1,300, you know, 900, 1,000 pips there. So we've got a small weekly trading range here. So we've got a high probability that if we do fake the low beginning of the week, and we do get a reversal confirmation, buy confirmation here, then we've got a high probability that we're going to go test this high as well, and also collect that liquidity. So if we go on the daily time frame, where are we here? So the daily is a little bit choppy. If you look on, I've been using this swing high to low here. Impulse, retracement, continuation here. That continuation failed. We've had short-term bearish price action here. You can see we've got reversal confirmation here. Very nice, actually. Candlestick confirmation after we wick that high. And then price has pushed down here. And then we're currently sitting in a nice PRZ here. So you see we've filled this imbalance, but we are sitting in a reversal zone. So we are sitting in a very nice zone for reversals to happen. But just like last week, this zone here is going to be our area of interest going into next week. So this zone here is going to determine whether price fakes, gives buy confirmation, and then tests this high here, or if she breaks below, retest, boom. And then if she does this, if we make structure below, or we get a daily candle close, you know, below there tomorrow, then we're going to be looking to sell down towards this liquidity here. All depends. This is our range here. So she might want to scoop up a little bit more liquidity before she reverses and continues, or she wants to break through here and come and test these lows down here, closer to 2277. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, opening price up, we can see that we're in a range here. So in a range here, so we've got a higher probability anyway that we're going to fake this range. And this sets up very nice with the timing at the beginning of the week. Fake this range, close back in, boom. We're buying up to the top of that range. That's what I want to see there. That is what I'm looking for at the beginning of the week. That's a very high probable opportunity if we see that right here. Now, same again. If price break and retest below, boom, that's what we're going to look for. We are bearish, look on the 4-hour, but the 4-hour started to range. She failed to create a new low when we retested the high. If she fails to create a new low again, we're going to be aiming for the same high again here, because remember, we are expecting higher time frame confirmations, and for that to happen, the 4-hour high has got to flip back bullish. The same as the 1-hour. The 1-hour is sharing the same structure. And see, look, 1-hour high, 1-hour low in this range here, and this is all I'm looking for going into next week. Previous week's liquidity is here. We're in such a nice zone to fake this zone here. The price to close back in, and boom, straight back up to that range. But if that doesn't happen and we get this, you know, 1-hour, 4-hour price action continuation down here, daily candle close, then we'll look for retracements and continuations, you know, going into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc., etc. So that's really it, guys. That's all I'm looking for. Going into next week, we're using the same zone as the week before. It's not very often that happens, but it's an exciting zone, and there's lots of opportunities around here. So, but it's an exciting zone. And there's a couple of nice opportunities setting up right there. So let's jump over onto the Discord. So guys, public channels here. You can gain access to this through blackswanfx.com. You've got a link there to join the free Discord. You can come and have a look at the Funded Lab Futures, Companions. Now, if you want to know what any of these are, go to the website. I've broken down what each one of these services are on the website with text, and you've got videos there as well where I walk through, you know, what they are on the videos as well. And then if you've got questions after that, please contact the live chat or shoot me a message on Instagram at Ben@XAUUSD, and I'll get back to you on that. And that's it, guys. So hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. If you're not in the Discord, I hope to see you in there next week. And that's it. So, bosh.